was a bird, I'd fly away, spread my wings and go away. If I was a bird, I would open my wings wide. I would feel the wind rising through my chest, and I would rise with its gush. If I was a bird, I'd fly away. I would have the freedom to see the beauty in the world in which I inhabit whenever I desired. Not be caught up in the nothingness of lives. If I was a bird, I would fly away. I would find a place to perch so I would survey the beauty of the world around me. Take my nose closer to the top of a tree and ask for its experience. If I was a bird, if I was a bird, I'd fly away. I need to fly away. I need to experience this world in a way that feels true to my soul. If I was a bird, but I'm not a bird. So this desire to see the world from a different perspective is not one place there for torture, but must have a deeper meaning. If I was a bird, I'd fly away. Would I fly away, or would I merely fly above? If I was a bird, I'd fly. Is the desire merely to fly? To feel the untetheredness of the world around me? For after all, I came into this earth in a time of air. The sign of my nature. If I was a bird, I'm not a bird. So I go inward and look from above. If I was a bird, I'd fly away. Thank you, birds, for the lessons of today.